Hello and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video, we are going to be looking at the concept of signal and system. So this is the first part of this video under the topic signal and system. So we are going to be looking at more like an introduction to what signal and system is all about. So if that interests you and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly go ahead and click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Alright, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So if you're talking about signal and system, one of the things that you have to make sure you understand is what actually does signal and system actually mean. So talking about the definition. So now let's start off with that. So if you look at the definition of what we have here of what signal is, it says a signal is any physical quantity that carries information and varies with time, space, or any other independent variable or variables. So in this definition, and there are certain keywords you need to take note of. It says a signal is any physical quantity. So you have to know this is a physical quantity. And what does it carry? It carries information. And information varies with time, space, and any other independent variable. So those are the things that you need to take note of when we are talking about a signal. So don't worry, as we progress in this course, you are going to understand what some of these terms actually means as related to signal. So now let's look at the other one, a system. So what is a system? A system is defined mathematically as a transformation that maps an input signal into an output signal. Alright, so just like the word, a system itself. So a system is defined mathematically as a transformation that maps an input signal into an output signal. Now, take for example, if you have a communication system itself is a combination of a transmitter, a channel, and a receiver. So if you bring all these things together, it is forming a system. Exactly. So that is what we are looking at. So for instance, now if you look at something like this, now let's say we have something like this, and then we're having an input. So let's call the input x of t. So and then it is now giving us an output, and then let's call the output a y of t. So what we are having here is just like a representation of what a system is. So it is a combination of different, should I use the word components, to where we are having an input signal that is giving us an output signal. So once you bring in whatever it is that is giving us the input signal and whatever it is that is giving us the output signal, once you bring them together, it is forming a system. Exactly. So that is it on the definition of what signal and system is. So you might need to want to take this down. So that's what we want to cover into this video. We have looked at the definition of what signal and system is all about. So in the next part of this video, we are going to be looking at the operations of signal. Exactly. So where we are going to be looking at time shifting, time reversal, and then the third one is time scaling. All right. So thank you very much. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.